Hello and welcome to Brainetainment, your hub for fascinating insights into the human body and mind. Here we unravel the complexities of health and science, unveiling the remarkable intricacies that make up our bodies. We delve into topics that captivate your curiosity, stimulate your intellect, and empower you with knowledge. From the neurons firing in your brain to the cells pulsating in your heart, we've got it covered. Today, we dive into the world of muscle aging and how we can slow it down. Muscle aging, also known as sarcopenia, is a natural part of growing older. This isn't just a fancy term that doctors use, it's a real phenomenon that affects everyone as they age, and understanding it can help us take better care of our bodies. So, what exactly is muscle aging? Well, it's a process that begins when we hit our 30s. Yes, as early as that. It's a gradual decrease in muscle mass and strength, and it's something that happens to all of us, regardless of our lifestyle or genetics. Now, why does this happen, you might ask? It's actually a combination of factors. As we age, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle cells, and the rate at which we generate new ones slows down. This is where the term muscle aging comes in. It's this slow but steady decline in muscle mass and strength that we refer to when we talk about muscle aging. The effects of muscle aging can be quite noticeable. You might find yourself feeling weaker, having less stamina, or struggling to carry out tasks that used to be a breeze. It's not just about looking good or being able to lift heavy weights. Muscle strength is essential for our everyday activities, from climbing stairs to carrying groceries. What's more, muscle aging can also impact our balance and coordination, increasing the risk of falls and fractures. It can even affect other aspects of our health, such as our metabolism, bone health, and overall life quality. By the time we hit our 70s, our muscle mass has decreased by around 3% every decade since we turned 30. That might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. But here's the good news. Muscle aging doesn't mean we're doomed to a life of weakness and frailty. There are ways to slow down, stop, and even reverse this process, and that's what we're going to explore next. But don't worry, there are ways to combat muscle aging, and we're about to explore them. So stick around, because we're just getting started on this journey towards maintaining our muscle health as we age. Firstly, a balanced diet is crucial in maintaining muscle health. The food we consume is like fuel to our bodies, and this is especially true when it comes to our muscles. The right nutrition plays a pivotal role in keeping our muscles strong and healthy, and even more so as we get older. Let's start with proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles. They help in repairing and building new muscle fibers, which is essential in maintaining and even increasing muscle mass. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and quinoa are all excellent sources of protein. Next, we have vitamins and minerals. They play a crucial role in many cellular processes that help maintain muscle function and health. For instance, vitamin D is essential for bone health, which indirectly affects muscle function. Minerals like calcium and magnesium are vital for muscle contraction and relaxation. You can find these nutrients in a variety of foods. Dairy products, for instance, are high in both calcium and protein. Fruits and vegetables, on the other hand, are packed with a myriad of vitamins and minerals. But it's not just what you eat, it's also how you eat. Eating 3 balanced meals a day with healthy snacks in between can provide a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. This helps in maintaining muscle mass and aids in recovery after physical activity. In addition to these, hydration is also essential. Water helps transport nutrients to the muscles and removes waste products, which can help in maintaining muscle health. So remember to keep yourself well hydrated throughout the day. A well-rounded diet, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, coupled with adequate hydration, can go a long way in maintaining muscle health. It can help ward off muscle aging and keep your muscles strong and robust. So whether you're hoping to maintain your current muscle mass or build more, remember the importance of a balanced diet. Choose foods rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, stay hydrated, and eat regularly. Remember, a well-balanced diet is the first step in fighting muscle aging. The second key to maintaining muscle mass is regular physical activity. You see, physical activity, particularly strength training and resistance exercises, can significantly slow down the muscle aging process. This is because these types of exercises place a greater demand on your muscles, which in turn stimulates the growth and repair of muscle fibers. Now let's talk a bit about resistance exercises. These are exercises where you work against some type of force that resists your movement. This could be your own body weight, a resistance band, or weights at the gym. Simple exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups are great examples of resistance exercises that can be done at home with no equipment. Next, we have aerobic exercises. Also known as cardio, these exercises are essential for maintaining cardiovascular health, but they also contribute to muscle health. When you engage in aerobic exercise, you're not just burning calories, you're also training your muscles to become more efficient and resilient. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling are great forms of aerobic exercise. But remember, it's not just about the type of exercise you do, but also the consistency with which you do it. Regular physical activity is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, and don't forget to mix it up. Variety is not just the spice of life, it's also a key component of a well-rounded exercise routine. Now, I know what you might be thinking, I don't have the time or the energy for all that exercise. But the truth is, you don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights to reap the benefits of physical activity. Even small changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or parking a bit further from your destination to walk a little more can make a big difference. So let's get moving. Your muscles will thank you. Consistent exercise is not just good for your muscles, but for your overall health. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. You see, when it comes to muscle health, rest and recovery are just as important as a balanced diet and regular exercise. If you're wondering why, let me explain. Our bodies are like well-tuned machines, and sleep is the downtime needed for maintenance and repair. When we sleep, our bodies release hormones that aid in the repair, growth, and regulation of our muscles. This is the time when the micro-tears caused by physical activity are mended, and our muscles grow stronger. Relaxation, on the other hand, helps reduce stress and tension in the body. This is essential because stress can lead to muscle tension and tightness, which can contribute to muscle pain and even injury. So, taking time to unwind and relax is not just good for your mental health, but for your muscles too. And let's not forget the role of rest days in between workouts. These are the days when your muscles get a chance to repair and grow. By giving your muscles time to recuperate, you're not only preventing injury, but also promoting muscle growth and strength. So there you have it. Rest, recovery, and relaxation are critical components of muscle health. They provide your muscles with the much-needed break to repair, grow, and become stronger. Remember, your muscles need as much care during rest as they do during a workout. Rest, just like diet and exercise, plays a vital role in muscle health. So in summary, maintaining muscle health as we age is a three-pronged approach. It's a powerful trifecta that combines the essential elements of nutrition, physical activity, and rest. Let's take a moment to recap the key highlights. Firstly, we discussed the role of nutrition in muscle health. We learned that a balanced diet is paramount to fuel our bodies effectively. To keep our muscles healthy and strong, it's essential to include protein-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in our meals. These nutrients are the building blocks for our muscles, and they help repair any wear and tear that may occur over time. Next, we delved into the importance of physical activity. Exercise, particularly resistance and strength training, is vital in maintaining and even increasing muscle mass as we age. It's not about striving for Herculean feats, but rather about consistent, regular physical activity. Even simple activities such as walking, swimming, or lightweight lifting can go a long way in preserving muscle health. Finally, we talked about the role of rest and recovery. This is the component that often gets overlooked, yet it's equally critical. Our muscles need time to heal, to recover and to grow. Getting sufficient sleep and taking rest days in between vigorous workouts are essential practices for muscle preservation. But remember, it's not just about the individual elements, but how they work together. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest are like the legs of a tripod, each one supporting the other. Neglect one, and the whole system can become unbalanced. And so, as we journey on through the years, let's remember to nourish our bodies, stay active, and rest well. It's a simple formula, but one that requires commitment and consistency. Thank you for joining us on Braintainment. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of our bodies and minds. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning.